What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about how to fix streaming issues on your CBS app, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So guys, there are a couple of streaming issues with CBS, and I'm gonna give you all the possible solutions on how to fix them. So if you're using your computer and if you're attempting to stream from your desktop or laptop, there are a couple of tips and tricks you can use to help you out with the streaming issues. What you need to do is, of course, check your browser, ensure that it's up to date, make sure it's supported by the stream of CBS. So again, also you can disable the ad blockers, which can cause troubles, and turn off tracking protection, which is Firefox users only. Also, you can check your internet connection, which is the main cause of your streaming issues. If you're using a mobile device, you can check the connected devices. Again, you can force click the app and so on and so forth. Of course, check your internet connection. So those are some tips for the mobile device. And if you're using Roku or any type of the TV like Fire TV, Roku TV or whatsoever, make sure to restart it, press the home button on the Roku TV remote, go to settings, check the system update if there is any. For the Fire and Apple TV, basically you can check your internet connection, and again you can try to manage the installed apps, force stop it and then restart it again. So overall, those are some tips and tricks on how to fix your streaming issues for CBS. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.